welcome. But, like, I'm crazy excited. So, I'm not going to show the other side of the package just because it has all the shipping stuff on it. But Firefly is here. I'm just going to get right into this because, like, I'm not waiting another minute. I thought that he was going to be delivered, like, Monday, because that was his delivery date. And then I was like, okay, well, maybe he'll come Tuesday. Oh, my God. And I was like, okay, well, maybe he'll come Tuesday. Maybe he'll come Tuesday. And he didn't. And it's Wednesday now. And I was like, okay, I've waited far too long for this stinky monkey. Oh, I got a letter, too. He's big. He's big, guys. Okay. Okay. No, this is just a letter. Oh, it's like a little Hallmark one, too. Fancy. Oh, it's a letter, like a really cute one. And it just says thank you on it. I'm gonna read the inside of it. Oh, tip, if he comes uneven on the stick, stand him. Hardcover books, YouTube. Thank you so much for supporting my small business. I really hope you enjoy Firefly. Feel free to tag me in pics. I'd love to see him. Can't wait to see all your adventures. Okay, feel free to pause. I don't feel like reading this again. Yeah. Okay, here he is. I can see him. My baby. So she did sign his stick. His stick is kind of short, but I'm not replacing it. I love when my hobby horse's sticks are short. I always cut them super short because it's just how I roll. Okay. Oh my God. I don't know what you're saying. My sister's in the room. He's very big. He's so pretty and very soft.
Do you want me to get the
You're
brush so you can
amazing.
brush his hair?
Yeah, he's very adorable. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm holding the Firefly. And she signed a stick. It's upside down. I can't believe I'm holding, like, the Firefly right now. I wanted him for months. I remember. Anyway, he's so pretty. Oh my God. I can hear you guys. Okay. She said if he comes uneven, oh my God. He's so pretty. And super soft too. Like super soft. And he's super thin.
She
Like, I don't know why.
looks exactly like the one, like, in the pictures. Like,
He is a little twisty, but I love that. And his, like, nose designs are so pretty as well. I love his little ears. They were a little folded in the package. So, they might be a little folded, but oh my goodness, he's so pretty. I love him literally so much. Jocelyn is leaving the room.
Wait, I will tell it.
He's super soft.
Oh my God.
Anyway, we're just, like, talking shenanigans now. Okay, just go easy because he's, like, literally my child. He's pretty wobbly on his stick.
Yeah,
I would have thought that
like
the stick would have went. She said the stick pokes out at the top, but it doesn't.
Right here.
Okay, stop.
Just feeling it. This side, I feel like might be a little bit more. I don't know. It's the same.
He's pretty good, and she said that he was very twisted, which he doesn't look too twisted to me. Prime example of what she means by twisted. Here I have one of my own hobby horses. He is very twisted, but that is just him. I just love him. He's super twisted. A lot of my hobby horses are like that, the ones that I've made at least. And then also Dolly is a prime example. Dolly is also pretty twisted. It's just how it happens. I don't really know how it happens, but he's also a little bit like that too. So he'll be in a stall. He barely fits in the hole. So here he is, next to all of them. I can't get him to go down any farther than this. Oh, there we go. He's so much taller than Pirate. I thought Pirate was a tall pony. He is big. And then there's Minnow in the middle. And then Dolly. But, like, size comparison to my foal, she is, like, size of my hand. Like, that's her to Firefly. Like, Firefly is, like, now that I think about it, I should change his height to be a lot smaller. But he's only 15'1". I'm not going to change anything about Firefly, though, because he's just perfect. But I'm going to ride him in a minute. So pretty. Firefly. Ah, he's so pretty.